Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a recent update on LinkedIn that allows you to show your connections' profile photos on your profile. This feature enhances your networking experience by making it easier to identify and connect with others in your professional circle. Let's walk through the steps to enable this setting on your PC. First, open LinkedIn in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the Me icon. This icon usually displays your profile picture or an outline of a person. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account, including privacy settings and account preferences. Now, navigate to the Account Preferences section. Here, you'll find several options related to how your account is displayed and how others can interact with it. Under the Display category, look for the option that says Show Profile Photos. Clicking this will reveal additional settings related to visibility. Finally, choose Your Connections. This setting allows only your connections to view your profile photo. It's a great way to enhance visibility among those you are directly connected with, while maintaining some level of privacy from others. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily adjust who sees your profile photo on LinkedIn. This not only helps in networking, but also makes it easier for others to recognize and connect with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience. Thank you for watching.